Hey and welcome again to this new video of mastering Git and GitHub. So in the previous video we see some parameter of the environment of a repository. So in this video let's change the name of the repository from website to my website. Let's click on rename, and after that it will rename automatically the name. But now after we change the name, we can't either push or pull our repository. Why is that? Because this link is changed. It's changed here to my website. But if we see our remote or what we are connected to, we use git remote -v, and we see that we are linked or connected to a website repository, but we don't have this website repository anymore because we rename it to my website. So how we can change that? Let's see. And to update this link we need to use the command git remote set url set-url and then origins, and then we passed the new URL. We found it in here. We copy all, click copy, and then we paste it. We hit enter and it will be updated. So now let's see, and as we see is updated from a website to my website, which is our new name. That's all for this video. See you.